Magnesium glycinate for seniors, leg cramps, sleep, and safe dosage. Leg cramps and poor sleep are common struggles for seniors. Could magnesium glycinate help, and what's the safe daily dose? Magnesium glycinate is an highly absorbable form of magnesium bound to glycine. It's gentle on stomach and supports muscles, nerves, and relaxation. For older adults, magnesium glycinate may ease leg cramps, improve sleep quality, support bone strength, and regulate blood pressure. It's generally safe, but mild side effects like stomach upset or drowsiness can occur. Seniors with kidney disease or those on blood pressure medication should consult a doctor first. The safe daily dosage for seniors is typically 200 to 400 milligrams. Evening use supports sleep, while splitting doses between morning and evening reduces stomach upset. Magnesium glycinate is one of the safest forms for senior. At 200 to 400 milligram daily, it can ease cramps, improve sleep, and support overall health. And that is the educational breakdown of magnesium glycinate for seniors in 2025. Would you take it in the morning or the evening?